We are going to unbox the DoubleDown ShowDown 2-pack of Radical Rescue and Earth Shaker from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. And on the back we have Dragon and Octonator. So let's go ahead and unbox this and we're going to review it. So first up, we're going to look at Radical Rescue. In 2002, the truck debuted, but in 2003, the truck returned for its second and final year. And so it only ran about 2 years. And here we go with Spin Master's version of Radical Rescue. Bring it up close. There's ladders on the back of the truck. There's the Monster Jam logo. So very cool. Nicely designed. It's gonna look a little bit different than Hot Wheels version. We're gonna take a side-by-side look of that also. I like the colored wheels, the yellow that they picked out to go along with the yellow on the truck for Radical Rescue. We haven't seen this truck return as a real truck. Don't know if it ever will or not. So those lights in the back are pretty cool, and it has a Monster Jam logo on the back of the truck there. So the ladders on the back, that's really neat. It's a nice looking truck. Let's go ahead. We're going to bring in the Hot Wheels version here on the right hand side. So you can see a little bit of a different version. In the front there where the grill is, it's all black inside, and then also the lights in the front on the Spin Master's version, I think those are lights, or the grill maybe, but it's not colored in as on the Hot Wheels version. So that's a little bit different. And also a little bit different casting up above on the Spin Master's version. And Hot Wheels version doesn't have the ladders at all, as you can tell on the back of the truck. Turning it around, Spin Master's version is so much bigger that it's almost like the daddy compared to the son, being the Hot Wheels version. So that's that's really giving us a really cool 1/61st scale comparison. You can see that the lights in the back are much bigger than Hot Wheels version. On to the opposite side, just a side shot comparison for you guys. Spin Master does it again for me. I really like the Spin Master's version of the truck of what they did with Radical Rescue. So we'll set Radical Rescue aside because we got another truck here to look at, and that is Earth Shaker. Here we go. Earth Shaker up close. A lot of detail going on in Earth Shaker. This is the revised version of Earth Shaker. That's why I didn't get it in the single packs. Very nicely done. Earth Shaker, the name of the truck on the hood. And some dirt. See the driver very nicely inside. Then on to the other side for Earth Shaker. Very cool. I was able... Oh, yeah, look at that. We have monsterjam.com on the back. As you can see that they put dirt in the back of the truck. You can take that out, actually. That looks like dirt. And I think it looks a lot better without the dirt. We're going to bring in the Hot Wheels version of Earth Shaker. Just compare it for you. the viewers, because you're the ones that count. Thank you for tuning in to these unboxing videos. Hopefully you enjoy them. I try my best that I can. I know that there is someone else out there in YouTube land that is doing an excellent job. Now you can see also that the dirt on the Spin Masters version is a little bit lighter compared to the dirt on the side on the Hot Wheels version of Earth Shaker. The name of the truck is a whole lot bigger also. Where the truck also in the back, where the truck would raise up to dump the dirt, is a little bit different compared to Hot Wheels version. So that's a little bit different. And of course then you see that Hot Wheels version didn't have any dirt at all, and Spin Masters version does. So there's more graphics also, what I can see, compared to nothing at all on Hot Wheels version. So there you have it. That's the unboxing for both of the Earth Shaker and Radical Rescue, the double pack. So hopefully you enjoyed this review.